Hey everyone, Hash here from hashtag and welcome back to my new video. So today hands-on images showing the standard Huawei P40 has been leaked. The smartphone have a triple camera setup and time of flight sensor which will be in vertical style. Further, the images confirm the phone will not feature a 3.5mm headphone jack, but the prototype is named as Polari and Blink branding. Usually Huawei use codename for the smartphones. On the other hand, Huawei P40 Pro is expected to have a larger camera bump with an additional lens. However, today both Huawei P40 and the P40 Pro have been cleared the certification from 3C mobile authentication platform in China. So Huawei P40 will support 22.5 volt fast charging and the high-end Huawei P40 Pro support 40 volt fast charging. Both smartphones support 5G network according to the listing. Huawei P40 series implements Sony IMX700 CMOS main sensor. On the other hand, P40 Pro would be equipped with a 40MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 10x optical zoom with periscope sensor and a T of 3D camera. The phone will use the same water-fast screen similar to Huawei Mate 30 Pro with a little bit improvement on the sides. However, the arc may be slightly smaller than the latter on P40 Pro. Also support a 6.5-inch OLED screen which will feature a refresh rate of 120Hz and 2K plus resolution. Further have a 5000 mAh battery and powered by Kirin 990 5G chip with dual mode 5G. So let me know your thoughts about the Huawei P40 series in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Huawei P40 Pro and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thanks for watching it. Hamashkar from hashtag.